Hello traders, this is Chris Keene from a keenpointofview.com, and this is Currency Watch. We had a little bit of volatility last night with the Australian jobs report coming in better than expectations, and this pushed the Aussie up towards the top of its range, and many of the risk pairs followed reluctantly into New York trading. This has set up a Friday where we have a few of the majors such as the euro and the pound sitting up at significant resistance levels at the top of their ranges, and it'll be interesting to see if we break through those levels into the end of the above those levels into the end of the week, where we could get a little bit of a break and maybe break out of the monotony of these trends heading into next week. But until that happens, this is what I'm going to be looking at heading into Asian and European trading. And I'll also keep in mind there is the IMF meeting occurring in Tokyo this evening, so there, well, on Friday, so there could be data out of that meeting that could maybe move the markets. Other than that, the data flow is relatively slow. Heading into Asian trading, though, I will be watching the New Zealand USD cross because it looks like it's clearly on in a triangle on the 1 hour chart. And if we get a breaker below this triangle, we could see a push towards at least to the top or the bottom of the current ranges. For example, if we break below the bottom of the triangle around 81.60, we could see it move down towards the 81.20 level. If we break above the top of the triangle at 81.87, I would be looking for a push up to the 82.35 region. The next pair we're going to look at is the Aussie USD, just because the Aussie USD is sitting right up near the top of its resistance zone. If it would be interesting to see if it how it reacts to this level, and if we get a break lower, we could be heading back down towards the bottom of the range around 101.75. The last pair is the pound, just because it's sitting right up near the top of its resistance. If we get a break above this level, we could be on our way to resistance, which is not too much farther away, at the descending yearly trend line that we've talked about quite a few times, around 106.80. But if we get a hold here, we could be heading towards the back of this very narrow range that it's trading in, around 160. All right, everybody, this is Chris Keene, Keen Point of View, and this is Currency Watch. Everybody have a great weekend, and remember to keep your trades keen and play it safe.